Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi everyone, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. It's a new day, but we have the same worry, what to pack in the tiffin today. To solve this, some of India's most loved chefs are bringing you 200 recipes for 200 school days. Today we are making Methi and Tomato Puri. It's a basic recipe, but with a very interesting twist. I'm sure you're going to love making it. So चलो देखें कैसे बनता है. हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन. To start making the puris, we'll first make the atta. About 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of tomato puree, some salt, some chili powder, little ajwain, chopped methi, and Kissan Tomato Ketchup. The Kissan Ketchup keeps the puris nice and soft till lunchtime. If needed, add a bit of water in your dough. And our dough is ready. We'll rest it for a while before rolling the puris. Time to make puris. Repeat this for all your dough. अब हम इसको गरम-गरम तेल में फ्राई करेंगे. These are ready. Time to pack the tiffin. My son loves this occasional treat along with some nice curd. Some kishmish. I hope I've solved your tiffin worry for today. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network. Like and share this video. I'll be back tomorrow to show you कैसे बनाते हैं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.